Young me used to spend hours on Chesstr.com. Cue a bullet game, lose hundreds of elo, hit play again, never once ask why I lost. I thought getting better meant playing more. More bullet games, more openings, more puzzles. Anything except slowing down to understand why I was winning or losing. If I could talk to the 8-year-old version of myself, I wouldn't teach him an opening, I'd teach him how to learn. Learn chess backwards. Chess gets simpler as pieces disappear. In an endgame, there may only be one correct move. In the middle game, there might be 10. In the opening, there are hundreds. So how would I actually study endgames? Pull up a Grandmaster endgame, hide the next move, and play Guess the Move. Not with a YouTube video, not passively. On an analysis board or better, a real chessboard. Force yourself to calculate. Commit to a move before revealing the answer. When you're wrong, don't just memorize the engine's move. Ask why your move failed. With so few pieces on the board, every move has a purpose. Once you know what winning positions look like, you can transpose to them from the middle game. Middle games are one thing I kinda did right. I'd do the daily Chesstr.com puzzle every morning, and my friends and I would grind Puzzle Rush Unlimited together. I got pretty good at them. But eventually I was solving more puzzles than I was playing actual games. Part of it was time. But if I'm being honest, part of it was fear of losing elo. The funny thing is, puzzles really do make you better. They teach you to recognize tactical patterns. Puzzles teach you how to find a winning move. Games teach you how to create the position where that move exists. How to defend, how to recover after blundering, how to convert a tiny edge into a win. I became better at solving positions, but not nearly as good at reaching them. That's why I think most beginners study openings too early. They memorize 10, 15, 20 moves, and then their opponent plays something unexpected. The book ends, and suddenly they have no idea what they're trying to accomplish, because they memorized moves, not plans. An opening isn't a list of correct moves. It's a way of steering the game toward positions you enjoy and understand. That's why openings should come last. First, learn what winning endgames look like. Then train your tactical vision with puzzles. Then play enough games to recognize common plans. Now, you're ready to study openings, because you're no longer asking, what move do I play? You're asking, how do I reach the kind of position I already know how to play? After years of doing this manually, I built the tool I wished I'd had. It's called Chesstr.ee, and it's completely free. It stores your repertoire as a decision tree with spaced repetition, so you learn ideas and variations together. Keep everything local with unlimited nodes, or create an account to sync across devices. If that sounds useful, feel free to check it out. Looking back, I couldn't tell you what my rating was when I was 12, but I remember every friend I stayed up until midnight playing, every ridiculous blunder, every post-game analysis that somehow lasted longer than the game itself. So if there's one thing I hope you take away from this, don't obsess over chasing or protecting a number. Find a community, play with friends, analyze your games together, because the goal isn't just to get better at chess. It's to love the game enough that you'll keep coming back.